So, there's no seagulls out there right now. Well, that up close anyway. But they say that I'm about to come outside. And I have bread. And when I go outside with the bread, I develop an army. Hello, my little seagull minions. What's up, seagull minions? And when I put the bread away, they still flock. Do you want me to preach to you? Seagulls, let me preach to you. Accept the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ into your life, seagull. That is how you get the bread. He can give you unlimited bread, seagulls. Jesus Christ is the Lord and Savior, the one with the bread. Come land on my hand and be my friend if you want it. No? Oh, you look pretty cool. You want it? Huh? You want it? This is so fucking sketchy because there's so many of them. What if they eat me? It's so cold out here too. God damn. Like my entire leg is shaking. I'm not even trying to shake it, but it's shaking. I want to backhand one. I think they're atheists. Oh, he got it! He got it! He got it! Don't give up, little seagull friend! Fight for the bread! Bitch, it's a fucking tablet, not a piece of bread. I'm gonna smack one if it lands on here again. What, you want the bread? You want the little piece of bread? I smacked him! Fucking life goals. Hey Mo, what you doing? What you doing? Do you see all the birdies outside? What about you, Tux? You see the birdies? You see the birdies?